Thanks for checking out my cooking channel. I'm delighted to announce the release of my new cookbook, the Thai Cookbook, Wicked Wild Thailand. There are over 100 recipes of wonderful Thai food here and beautiful pictures. There are also plenty of stories of my life in Thailand on the 60-70 motorbike trips that I did over a 6-year period. Stuff I learned on the road, these are in the book, the recipes. Also stories of my life as a professional chef, having to deal with corrupt suppliers, death threats, snakes in the office. It's all in there, folks. Thank you to all the folks that have purchased this already. Really appreciate that very much. Your support means a lot to me, so thanks a lot. If you haven't sent a receipt, don't forget to send it to me with the email address on the screen. And also to send a review on Amazon.com. Yes, that's really also important. When you type in the Thai Cookbook, this comes up to the top of the list. So thanks for you to that. I really appreciate it. But also those stars mean a lot in sales value, right? There are also 45 cooking videos to go along with the book that are released slowly from now until early next year, every week, twice a week, Wednesdays and Fridays, Chef Sherlock on my YouTube channel. Yeah, so check that out. I'm Ian Sherlock, and this is my cookbook. Here's how it works. Send me the receipt. Buy the book, send me the receipt. Your name goes into a Facebook lottery system. When I get my first 100 purchases, I will do a Facebook Live lottery system. Okay? After that, I'll announce the winners, right? So third prize, anything under $20 US, gift from my chef shop. Second prize, anything under $30, gift from my chef shop. First prize is a $50 cash voucher sent to you wherever you are. Your name goes back into the lottery system, so you keep on winning. So share, folks, tell people about it, spread the word, because the more sales I get, the more you have the chance to win. So we all win, so thank you. After that, I'll pump up the volume. Every 500 purchases, I'll up the prize value too. Now here's the big prize. If I get 10,000 copies in the next 6 months, here's what the prizes are. Third prize, 5,500 US, sent to you wherever you are. Second prize, 1,000 US, sent to you wherever you are. After that, the first prize, I've lost track of what I'm saying. Third prize, $500. Second prize, $1,000. And the big grand prize is a wonderful trip to Saint Lucia, here on a beautiful exotic island in the Caribbean. You'll stay at the luxurious St. James Club on the island. That's an all-inclusive property. Yes, folks, all-inclusive. That means the booze, the food, the drink, the booze, the food, the drink. That's all on me too. I'll show you around my beautiful island. Should you be living on the island and you win, then it wouldn't be nice for me to send you down the road, would it? So I will send you off to Jamaica for 2 for the same package, same deal. Okay, so thanks folks for buying the book, the ones who already have. Don't forget to send me your receipt to the email address on the screen. Reviews on Amazon.com. That is super important for people to see what you think about the book, right? So send those reviews through. Don't forget to check out my YouTube channel. Subscribe to all my social media, especially my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, folks. Bon appetit.